Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special thing. It's called a sensor activated LED closet light. Now you can put this anywhere. I was actually planning on installing this thing underneath my desk, because that's where I have all my power strip, and it's a pain to, well, not a pain, but it's not a pain. Let's call it laziness. Or grabbing my flashlight and going underneath my desk and finding the right hole and then not poke something bad. So I said, well, how about an activated motion sensor light? But I also have a problem in my closet. So we're gonna open it. I received it a couple of days ago. I just haven't had time to open it. And we're gonna use our DeWalt handy dandy knife. Extremely sharp. New blades. And I'll throw the link up in the description if you guys want to check it out. And no, it doesn't, not affiliated with Amazon, but that's where I found it. It was, I bought it a couple of days after Amazon Prime Day. The one I wanted was actually this one, but it wasn't on sale, but they had it on sale 2 days later. But let's check it out. Oh, I don't know about you guys, but this is satisfying. I know plastic and I don't get along, but that's why I'm enjoying this so much.
I'm a bad boy.
It's from SHID World. I'm not gonna pronounce that because it might come out wrong, so I'll let you guys see it. Check it out. Nice, beautiful. It's from a place where it rhymes with Manure World. But just one letter makes a wonder, doesn't it? But this is pretty easy to install from what I've read. It's, you apply some adhesives to any surface. They're magnetized. You put that in, install it, and off it goes. Now it's a 78 LED home light. Since I'm just reading off of the website. It's 3,200 mAh. It escapes me right now. But it's a stick-on wireless dimmer, night light bar, safe light with magnetic strip. So we're gonna put it to the test, and as you can see, it's motion sensor, adjustable brightness, low power consumption, light sensor, which I don't think I'll be using that. Rechargeable. I was looking for something that's rechargeable. Nowadays, you gotta keep buying batteries, and you used to buy batteries. I used to, but now instead of having batteries, I have like a million cables, which I'll show you in a minute. Bam. So batteries have replaced this. I know it's horrible, but I'm a cable hoarder. Let's put that back. So after showing you my problem, and I have serious issues with cables. So let's go to the closet to put this light on. But before we go, one of the main things we got to do is open it, see what it looks like. All right, see what's in the box. Forgot to unbox it before I got carried away that I just wanted to install it and show it to you guys that way it works, and I forgot to show it to you. So we have this shriveled up, congratulations, you won the first prize. Congratulations. I don't know what I won, but oh wow, yeah, cool. No, more to my collection. Okay, now going back to this cable, I'm gonna put this away for now. I don't think I need it. I'll charge it and add it to my attic box. And here we have, protects the button. Now long press will turn this thing on. Single press is to change the mode. So on green, motion and light sensor, it turns on when there is movement and in the dark. Now blue only motion sensor, it only turns the light on when it detects motion in the dark. And green, it always will turn on whether it's dark, whether it's daylight, it will always turn on. But if you want it to only be in the dark, go to blue mode, which what I'll be running it on. and red, always on. So we're gonna test this and see if we could turn this thing on. Oh, nice, sweet. Check that out. Let's turn this off for a second. Now, I don't have it all the way. I'm turning it. That's as bright as it goes. Now let's dim it. And that's as low as it goes. That's bright, that's low. So if we long press one, it should change, it should turn off. Long press to turn it on. One press, blue, that's where we're gonna have it. Red, so it goes back to default. So we're gonna turn it off. Now, before we head over to the closet, I want you guys to see how we're gonna install it. It's already installed. This is nothing, no rocket science. It's just a magnet. So all we gotta do is peel that protective layer for the adhesive, put that on this side, wherever we're going to install it, and it should snap back on. Let's go check it out. So we're back. We're gonna put it right here. I measured it. It's going to clear. You probably can't see this, but from the rail of the closet to the closet door itself. So this is a sensor and this is a knob. So I want this to go on the moment I open the closet. So the light sensor should be right here. Okay. We'll put that right there. So we'll take this off. We'll put this to the side for now. And we'll peel the little paper protecting the adhesive.
5 hours later.
I'm telling you, my nemesis paper. But not today. We'll toss that to the side. Feels pretty good. So we're gonna go right here. Seems okay. There we go. Just slap that on. The beauty with this thing is that if you need a flashlight, you could grab this if you're not using it and just take it anywhere. You could get another magnetic strip from Amazon. I'm sure you could do that. So make sure that it's nice and it adheres perfectly to this. So now the moment of truth. All right, we'll see if my hard work has paid off. Hey, there you go. Check this out. I know it's intentionally dark because I want you guys to see what I kind of see. There you go. Snaps off in a breeze. We'll see how long the magnet will last like that. So there it goes. I'll make sure that it closes. There's not anything. Okay. I just have to move it back a bit. So now we're gonna turn it on. We want it in blue mode. No? Okay, there we go. Now let's go all the way up. And the moment of truth. It stays on for about a couple minutes or so. I'll fast forward this and we'll see the results. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're gonna do this. All right. Let's see. Show. There we go. Look at all of my fancy clothes. So now if we want to adjust the brightness, that's as low as it goes. That's as bright as it goes. close it again. And let's count down, see how long does it take to turn off. I'm not cutting. You guys are watching live. Well, sort of. You're watching with me the moment of truth. I'll try to set up a timer and put it up on the screen. It looks like about 15-18 seconds. Do it again. There we go. So it's beautiful. It works amazing. I really like it. I enjoy it. Huh. As you can tell, it's not coming off the, even with all that motion. It's too bright for me. Like I'm going blind here. Perfect. Well, as you saw, it works. I really like it. I'll throw the link in the description. You can get it on Amazon. I believe as of the time of the release of this video, it's $18.99 with a $1 coupon. I think that's what I saw, but I'll make sure. I'm glad you guys stuck around this long. I know it was the most torture, but my room is extremely hot. I'm sweating because it's like 1,000 degrees in California. But anyhow, I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. If you think I deserve a like or a subscription, I would gladly appreciate it. And stay safe. TekyDad, signing out.